Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be an interesting video. You guys probably saw that my third brake light is in the middle in the spare tire right there. I actually did that a few months ago. It was kind of like a custom thing that I did. I got these cheap LED lights from Amazon and I put them, they fit right in the holes for the lugs, so I fit them right in there, two of them. But today we're going to change them up a little bit. We're going to take them out and we're going to do a little custom work. Let's show you what I got planned. So as you can see here, this is the stock third brake light for the Jeep TJ, and my plan is actually to take this piece off right here and cut a metal piece that fits just like that, and then cut 3 holes right there and fit those LED lights that I have in there already, fit them in there and then wire them up, and that'll be the third brake light. A couple reasons for doing this. One is the spare tire that I have on the Jeep is not the cleanest. It is the dirtiest out of the set of wheels that I have. That's why it's the spare. And in the winter I kind of like covering it just so it doesn't get even worse. And if I cover it with the tire cover, then it'll cover my third brake light if it stays the way it is now. So doing this the stock way, but then still adding that LED element, it'll make it look nicer, and I kind of just want to see how it would turn out. So let's go ahead and get the spare tire off, get everything ready to start working. Alright, so now after a little bit of modification to the piece that held this red piece on, you can see I had to get it off with some force. But after a little bit of modification, cutting the back off, now we can go ahead and set the metal piece right on top there. I'll go ahead and trace my holes for each side, and then we can go ahead and start measuring the spaces that I need for the lights. I'm thinking about doing 2 or 3 red lights, and maybe try to do an amber light that can be turned on with a switch, but we'll see about that. Alright, so as you can see, we got the holes cut. It fits real nicely in there. So now here's what I'm thinking with the lights. We have, obviously we want to center at least one of them, so a red light here, and a red light here and here, and then I was thinking an amber light in between those that can be used as trail lights, so people can see behind the trail on dusty roads. So we're going to go ahead, I'm going to start measuring out these spaces, and then I'll start cutting the holes. Alright, a little update about where we're at. We have everything cut out. I put these in just so you guys could see what it's going to look like when it's finished. Of course, I need to add a layer of paint on here, but I think it looks really good. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments if I should add the amber lights. That'll be super easy to add if I ever want to. But I'm going to go ahead and wire all these up together and plug it in, see what it looks like. Alright, a little jump in the video. I went ahead and wired everything off camera just so I didn't have to bore you guys. I know it's really dark right now, but here's the finishing product. You can see it is in the stock location, but you got the 3 LED lights right there. So let's go ahead and set you guys up and show you what it looks like. Alright, overall I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. If you guys liked it, make sure you let me know in the comments and subscribe if you want to see more videos, but I'll see you guys in the next one.